female fighters. 7 years the difference, 10 centimeters height advantage, and 8 centimeter reach advantage goes to Machlie.
本场 JCK MMA Fight Night 女子银量级的复赛争夺，男方选手身高155公分，臂展158厘米，体重57.50公斤，年龄21岁，来自于 GFC Gym。MMA 综合格斗战绩7战4胜3负。那么今天晚上在 JCK 战绝城的首秀 ，Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the blue corner from Kyrgyzstan. I give you Kurmanbekova, Bактыгүл。本场比赛，红方选手身高165公分，臂展166厘米，体重56.70公斤，年龄28岁，来自于 Muratov Legend Team。MMA 综合格斗战绩5战4胜1负。那么今天晚上同样是他的 JCK 战绝城的首秀。Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the red corner from Uzbekistan. Gets ready for Hабибуллаева, Mахлие. The referee who charged in this octagon is Mr. Wang Yue.
Oz көз сайма менен. Интернеттен ылдамдыгы секундасына 300, ал тургай 500 мегабитке чейин. Күчтүү деп ушуну айтсак болот. Үйдөгү телекөрсөтүү бардык маанайга ылайыктуу 220дан ашуун телеканал.
Нифига себе!
5 онлайн кинотеатр. Тасмаларды, сериалдар менен мультфильмдерди көрөбүз. Wi-Fi роутерди акысыз алабыз. Айына болгону 1080 сомдон баштап. Кошууга жетишебиз. Сайма күйгүзөбүз.
Judge, time, ready, fight!
All set for this one. It is Bактыгүл in the blue versus Machlie in the red.
Oh, huge right hand, right on the button, drops her. Wow, Machlie did a huge start to this fight, but immediately Bактыгүl gets her down with that shot. She is not having any of that striking.
Bактыгүl looking heavy on top. Looking to pass here from half guard. She got cracked with that right hand, but yeah. But here,
I thought that was over. She sat her down right on the button.
Imagine like 2 30-second or less.
But look at her, she's fully recovered. Tough as nails is Bактыгүl, and now she's on top, and we know that she's a good grappler. Nice short little elbows here from Bактыгүl.
She does look to have some good grappling chops.
She has the far side underhook.
Big elbows here.
Machlie needs to recover guard here or get that underhook.
Looks like she's taking her time. Good top control. Has already landed some nice elbows. She's only 21 years old. Very young fighter. Probably been training since she was a kid.
Slick pressure here from her. Steps over that arm.
Nice control with that underhook.
Yeah, that far side underhook. She holds tight to that shoulder.
Machlie is like trying to hip out and get to her side, but Bактыгүl is doing a really good job of keeping her flat, controlling now. Machlie regards.
You think she's looking for that? I haven't seen that in ages.
Does that work?
Well,
just the squeeze.
We joked about it recently. Actually, here with Jessica, I was running with some of the referees and some of the black belts, and I did it to some of the guys that are much smaller than me because I was like, "That doesn't work." And I said, "Do it to me," and they couldn't whip it. They're much smaller than I did it to them. They're like, "Yeah, okay," but I think you need to have, 10, 20 kilograms on somebody for that to work.
For people in the same weight class, I don't think that's going to be a thing, unless
you have the strongest legs,
or they have like some sort of rib injury. That would make it very more uncomfortable. Oh my goodness! Oh. That was an illegal kick to the head. Thankfully, they're okay. There's no cut or anything. It looked like Bактыгүl was going to sit for like an ankle lock or something like that, and then Machlie inadvertently, I believe it was inadvertent, heel kicked her in the face.
Yeah. Bактыгүl doing good there. Immediately jumping on, and now she's full mount.
Has mounted her here. This is a bad spot for Machlie. Machlie's got a pretty good record. She's 4-1.
Wow, Wow, look at this heavy
Oh,
punches. So much control here.
Machleo
Machleo doesn't look to be damaged yet, but she's losing here on position. I mean, she'll feel very confident having success in the first few seconds on the feet, but she is really not, you know, having a good time on the ground here against Bактыгүл.
Wow, pinning that arm down or trying to deliver in some pretty heavy shots here from Mount is Bактыгүl. Machleo is trying to buck, bridge, create some space.
She's trapped that arm. She might want to bridge to one side, but look at Bактыгүl really reaping out, like reaping those legs. Short little elbows here. Another short elbow. We saw very good elbows in the previous fight when Jung cut up Aiti Jiang.
That was a nasty cut. A little
1
over a minute.
Yeah.
We're in sync here. On the left to go in the first round. Bактыгүl firmly in control from the mount position. Her grappling has looked very dominant. She's getting rocked with the very first punch of the fight.
Man, I thought that was over. I thought that was the end of the.
I didn't really see it. I was still like looking down at how to say the name properly. And then
straight cross right on the button. But since, I mean, definitely Bактыгүl has just run away with this fight with this dominant performance on the ground so far.
let's see if she can string together a flurry of shots with the last 30 seconds here to really capitalize on how much damage she can do from mount.
Nice elbows.
She's landed a lot of shots here from top position. It's clear that she has an advantage in the grappling, at least when she's able to get on top. So we'll see when we make it to the second round if she's looking for a takedown right away. Ready for round two. My prediction is that she is going to shoot a takedown pretty early.
For sure.
See how it goes. No glove touch to start the second round between Bактыгүl in the blue and Machleo in the red. You know Machleo is wary of that takedown attempt, which is probably coming pretty quick, I would imagine.
Oh, gives her a right cross of her
Cracks through
own.
with the right hand. See, that's the thing. When you have your opponent worried about the takedown,
Another one finds home. Bактыгүl urging her on, saying, let's go.
Bактыгүl
Wow.
coming forward aggressively.
Bактыgүl, hands up high, walking forward like a tank, and I think she feels confident with the wrestling, so she's ready to throw. Look at her throwing down.
These ladies have power, you know. Critics of female MMA often say, oh, you know, women fighters, the female fighters don't have power. Take a look at this fight.
Yeah.
They're cracking each other with huge right hands.
How Bактыgүl, look at how nice she eats a right hand. That one, Machleo attacked the clean, but how tough is Bактыgүl? Bактыgүl just eats it and keeps marching forward. Nice low kick there.
Surprised she hasn't shot yet. Given that, you know, she got a takedown in the first round pretty easily and was able to score. Oh, she points at the center. It's like, come on, let's go. She wants to throw down in the pocket. Referee calling for action as the pace has slowed a little bit.
Bактыgүl doing really good pressure. I think she's getting.
Big right
she hits
hand
a
by
right
Machleo.
hand. But man, she gets hit and she just immediately fires back.
Yeah.
I don't think she's scared of the power of Machleo, which is insane.
Yeah, considering she got dropped with like the first punch of the fight.
But she wasn't out of it. She just, you know, like sat down. But she looked at her the whole time. Her eyes didn't even close.
Machleo's got some good footwork. Yeah. Lateral movement, never staying in one place for too long, whereas we see Bактыгүl is a little bit more plodding, flat-footed.
Nice little uppercut from Machleo at the end.
Lots
Of that exchange.
glove touching and showing of respect between these two female athletes. Bактыgүl still stalking Machleo with the footwork, staying elusive halfway through the second round.
The referee giving them a warning. Mafia throwing a quick one to it. Look at Mafia, she throws, almost not even finishing her punches, and she's already moving away. She's really tentative of getting taken down again. The referee giving them both a warning. Fight fans, I'm telling you, JCK is no jokes about inactivity.
No jokes about the fouls. Like,
if you deduct a point, you get a warning, a second warning, and then they deduct a point. That first point, you get a yellow card and deduct half your purse.
half your purse.
It's insane. They want action, man. You come here, you got to come to fight, not coast.
I remember yesterday, Suji Lagu got deducted a point for grabbing the fence.
No, but that's different. That's not inactivity.
I know, but I'm just saying they're really tough on all like the fouls and all these calls, right?
I like that, man. It shows that it's a sport. You got to play by the rules. You can't bend the rules and say, oh, it's just in the heat of the moment, because those moments could be the difference whether you win or lose the fight.
100%. And then, you know, not to mention the policy they have for missing weight. We saw how that affected this card with several fighters just getting DQ'd from the tournament, basically, for missing weight. And it's that's their shot at $1 million RMB just gone because they came in a little heavy.
Oh, stiff jab from Machlie.
So the action in this fight has slowed considerably in the second round. Not a whole lot has happened. Let's see if Bактыгүл can get a takedown here. She finally gets the clinch.
Those knees inside.
Less than a minute to work.
Whoa!
We see Bактыгүl turning her back.
Two huge punches, two huge punches missing, but it looked like she threw with some wicked intent.
Pretty close round. Hard to score. I think Machlie has probably landed the more significant strikes in this round. So it could be 1-1 going into the third.
You're right.
10 seconds remain in this second round. Someone's mouthpiece has fallen out, and Bактыгүл goes for a takedown at the end of the round, which she is able to get. I was surprised that Bактыгүl never went for a takedown earlier in that round, given her success on the ground in the first round.
Feels like she wants to stand and bang. Showcase that she has striking too, taking the striking to the pro boxer.
Stand and bang.
She's definitely more aggressive, and it feels like she has more power, but Machlie is a little bit faster with the hands.
Here we go, it's time for round 3. Bактыгүl in the blue versus Machlie in the red.
We looked at the stats. You see that pretty even. Bактыгүl having more kicks and more body shots.
Bактыгүl coming forward here.
The referee giving another warning again.
Yeah, they did receive like a strong warning.
Nice spinning back fist from
the second round.
Now they're tied up.
See if she's able to get a takedown. Failed on that trip attempt and eats a couple punches for her effort.
Nice little short uppercuts from Machlie. After she stopped that takedown attempt. You hear the corner of Machlie trying to jab. Oh,
okay.
Nice.
I didn't see what happened there, whether it was a slip.
She shot for a takedown and it was half push, half slip. Now Machlie is starting to grow a little bit of momentum here in the third round, but anything can change in the moment. If Bактыгүl lands one of those big punches or gets her down, it could help big. Winds up a big overhand. The speed of Machlie is quite impressive. It's like speed versus power here. 1, 2, left hook, straight to the middle.
I think it's pretty clear that Machlie has a bit of an advantage on the feet, especially when it comes to speed, and her footwork seems more advanced.
Now it's like she's got her timing and her range now. A little bit of a head bump, head clash there.
Less than 3 minutes to go.
Bактыгүl just pacing down now. Lost some of that nice back kick.
So back kick lands. Bактыгүl Head kick
for a
attempt.
head kick, misses. 2 minutes and 32 seconds left. Stiff jab again from Machlie.
I mean, it could honestly be pretty close on the scorecards. Obviously, Bактыгүл won the first round with all of that top control and ground and pound. Second round was close, but I'd probably give a slight edge to Machlie, and then this third round is dead even.
2 minutes left. Both of them throwing hard, nothing landing cleanly.
Pace is slowed a little bit as the fight nears conclusion.
The fourth pressure of Bактыгүл is really good. Now she catches the kick, but look at Machlie. She doesn't want to take it down. She wants to stay on the feet and pick her. Lots of counter fighting here from Machlie.
Machlie also has a win over Jеңишke veteran Mariana Torchinova.
Oh, yeah,
the Georgian fighter who got submitted by Liana. We called that one. How good did Liana look in that fight?
Oh, really good. She came and just dominated
She
her.
should make a belt for this division. Liana should be the champ. That's my hot take.
So much talent coming in. Who knows? But I do think they should have a belt. Yeah, that's a good idea. Speak to the big boss. Hey, huge punches. But it is blocked.
Minute here to go.
50 seconds left.
Alone.
Oh, a Superman punch and a body kick. Followed by, man, Bактыгүl is just such a warrior.
Oh yeah.
And
Both these ladies.
Machlie is also a warrior. I mean, she has a smarts about her.
Both these ladies obviously very talented. Been a very close fight. Matchmakers did a great job putting this one together. Nice takedown there with, unfortunately, not a lot of time left in the round. Less than 10 seconds remain.
Trying that TP.
That takedown could have been really important for the scoring of this round.
You think so?
Well,
I don't know.
it was pretty even on the feet.
It's a good fight, man. I don't know. I don't know who got that, to be honest. I think they're both sharing hugs. Sportsmanship shown between these two. Both of them can speak Russian, so it's easy for them to communicate with each other. But good fight. Both these girls skilled, tough, different styles, power and aggression from Bактыгүl, and speed and accuracy and skill shown by Machlie.
The tough fight. We have the final official decision. 1号裁判28比29 Judge number 1 28-29. 2号裁判28比29 Judge number 2 28-29. 3号裁判29比28 Judge number 3 29-28. 本场比赛3位裁判一致性判定蓝方胜。For the winner, by split decision, win by point, presenting Kyrgyzstan. The blue corner, Kurmанбекова, Bактыгүl.